Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be diving into the fascinating world of Socratic questioning. Socratic questioning is a teaching technique that involves asking open-ended questions to encourage students to think critically and engage in meaningful discussions. The methods take its name from the Greek philosopher Socrates, who believed that true knowledge is not acquired through memorization but through critical inquiry. Socrates used this method to engage the students in philosophical discussions and challenge their beliefs. His approach became known as Socratic method and has since been adapted by educators around the world. One key aspect of Socratic questioning is that it often starts with easier questions and gradually moves to more difficult ones. This progression helps to build confidence and ensure that all students can participate regardless of their initial skill level. For instance, a teacher might begin with a simple question like, "What do you think is the main cause of climate change?" and then follow up with more complex inquiries such as, "How do different countries' policies impact global warming?" A best practice in implementing Socratic questioning is to start with low achievers and gradually move to high achievers. This approach ensures that all students feel included and valued in the discussion. By scaffolding the questions, teacher can create an environment where every student has the opportunity to contribute, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. To better understand how Socratic questions work in practice, let's consider examples from different subjects. Imagine an English teacher discussing a novel. The teacher might start with basic questions like, "What is the main theme of the story?" and then progress to, "How does the author use symbolism to enhance the theme?" This encourages students to think critically about the text and its deeper meanings. In a math class, a teacher could begin with a straightforward question such as, "What is the formula for the area of a rectangle?" and then challenge students with, "How would you apply this formula to solve a real-life problem, like determining how much paint is needed for a wall?" This not only reinforces mathematical concepts but also connects them to everyday life. A science teacher might ask, "What are the basic components of a cell?" as an entry point. Then they could follow up with, "How do these components work together to sustain life?" This progression helps students explore the complexities of biological systems. In the world of AI, chatbots can be utilized to generate Socratic questions, providing personalized prompts that encourage students to explore tips more deeply and engaging in critical thinking. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.